Turn it. I think the front end of a tree. Or two. Or more. It's clean. I think based on some of our recent transactions, this got to be worth what, $200,000 or $300,000 the way it sits. I mean, it's practically restored. Yeah, the plastic hood. I pressed metal. I pressed down. Look at this plastic. Off with the hood. The key is what's going to happen first. Oh yeah. Always remember to break the grill or the So day one of project trucks. My single cab. Still a single cab. Still a single cab. Has no front clip on it. Hood, grill, fenders, all that's over there. It's over there, and up there. And my extended cab is now going to get donered. This front clip going on that. It's about to go down. Extended cab is stripped down too.